on, dear. Breakfast is ready. We are waiting for you.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's there this Sunday? Must be Ria's favorite delicacies.
Of course. Yes, but where is Ria? Ria?
What is this? Grandma, don't start with your nagging again. It's Sunday, please.
Ria, is this the way to talk to your grandmother? Apologize to her.
Ria, behave yourself, okay? Say sorry to her. Sorry. It's okay, Ria. Wow! Dad, you're the best dad in this world. Dad, I need a new phone, please.
But Ria, it's just been 5 months since I bought you a new phone.
That is the problem, Dad. 5 months back. Yeah, try to understand Dad's problem. He needs a new bike. His old bike is troubling him so much. Excuses, excuses, excuses.
One day and you cannot let me stay in peace, right? Whole day working in the office like anything, and in the evening, door-to-door delivering pizzas. You know why? Just to fulfill your demands. But you youngsters will never understand this. Yesterday I went for this pizza delivery and I was 2 minutes late just because of my bike. But then this girl, she took the pizza and she didn't pay me the money. And then I had to pay for the loss from my pocket.
Ria, please try to understand Dad's problem. These grown-ups.
This girl, she's never gonna understand this.
It's okay, please calm down. It's okay.
She understands. She won't understand this, Mom, please.
Come on, Hey, Ria! Bring the ball!
Where were you, Ria?
You look upset, Ria.
These grown-ups, they think they're doing us a favor by catering to our needs. But Ria, what happened? Today, I just asked for a new phone from my dad.
But Ria, just 5 months back you got a new mobile.
That's the problem. 5 months back.
Yes, Ria, you're right. These grown-ups try to convince us to their baseless logic.
I know. They think they are very smart. Smart? Please. Oh, listen. What? Yesterday what happened? Yesterday, I fooled a fully grown-up pizza man. He was thinking he's very smart, but I was smarter than him. You are. Of course. So listen, yesterday I had ordered a pizza and I caught the delivery man bringing it 2 minutes late.
2 minutes?
But it's just 2 minutes. Then he started giving me so many excuses for being late. That his bike broke down on the way, this happened, that happened. He was in big trouble. But I did not listen to him at all. Oh my god, it was so fun. Then I took his pizza for free and did not pay any penny to him.
But he didn't say anything.
Poor guy, what would he say? Oh my god, he was begging like anything. Begging. Oh my god, it was so fun to watch him. But I did not, it was almost 50.
Hey, Ria! What happened? Why are you crying?
The guy that you insulted, he's my father. I feel very guilty about my actions.
Stop crying, dear. I heard your talks. You seem to have realized your mistake, and that's why your guilt is making you cry. But my dear children, remember, your parents always want your happiness and work for your betterment. You should always love and respect your parents. Come on, now bring a smile on your face.
Sorry, Ria.
Thank you, Auntie.
Come on. We're getting late, please.
Yeah, we are coming. Mom, did you take your medicines?
Dad, can we please go to the market?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, sure. I was just looking for some phones online.
Dad, we are not going to buy a new phone, but we are going to buy a new bike for you.
Are you serious, Ria?
Yes, Mom.
I'm
serious. Grandma, I'm sorry for what I did. I feel very guilty about it.
I told you she'll understand.
Grandma, I'm so proud to have parents like these, and they're the best parents in the world.
We are proud of you too, daughter, because you're the best daughter of this world.
Yes, you are the best.